mahanap sa lupa. Pangarap ko'y makita kang naglalaro sa buwan. Inalay mo sa akin ang gabing walang hangganan. Hindi mahanap sa lupa ang pag-asa. Nakikiusap na lang, himala. Kasalanan bang humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala? Kasalanan bang humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala? Pangarap ko'y makita ang liwanag ng umaga. Naglalambing sa iyong mga mata. Hindi mahangilap sa lupa ang pag-asa. Nakikiusap sa buwan, himala. Kasalanan ba humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala? Kasalanan ba humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala? Hindi mahanap sa lupa ang pag-asa. Nakikiusap na lang, himala. Kasalanan ba humingi ako sa langit
What
ng
a beautiful presentation of Vongout. I just want to say, sobrang ganda ng song. Himala. I know that we are all aiming for some miracle. And for you girls, your journey here in Oriental Mindoro Queen is already a miracle. Congratulations to all of you.
That is really a spicy, fabulous, yet chic and elegant part and segment of the competition. Right now, before we officially announce our minor and special awards, we would like to thank, of course, PGOM, the Provincial Government of Oriental Mindoro, of course, headed by none other than Governor Bons Dolor, the SP members, headed by Vice Governor Jojo Perez, all of the department heads, because from what I heard, a little birdie told me that the Provincial Government of Oriental Mindoro have sponsored and donated 247,500 pesos in cash for this event to happen. Palakpakan naman po for the Provincial Government of Oriental Mindoro. Maraming salamat once again.
Maraming salamat po. Another miracle for this night.
Yes, and before we reveal our finalists, let us first recognize those who have excelled in different areas of this competition.
These awards celebrate excellence, preparation, personality, and performance.
And may we call on a representative from PICPA Oriental Mindoro to hand us the minor and special awards. Maraming salamat po on behalf of the whole province of Oriental Mindoro. I love how you introduce yourself. It's called Isla, right?
Yes, and I would like to also thank our candidates for making it this far. Congratulations, ladies. Sino ba sa tingin nyo ang makakauwi ng ating minor awards? Wow, sobrang energetic ng ating audience, Ronel.
Yes. Nasaan ang mga supporters ni Jelay Evora? Ay, nandyan sila too. Alright. I think it is now time that we award first our sponsors awards, okay? Yes, all of our results are enveloped, so please give us time. Ayan. For our Miss Central Mall, or for the Central Mall Calapan, to be presented by Miss Kate Abby Soriano. We have 3 winners for Miss Central Mall. For our Miss Central Mall second runner-up, we have Queen Bongabong.
Congratulations, Queen Bongabong. And our Miss Central Mall first runner-up is you, Queen Sancho Dara.
Let's not waste any more time because our Miss Central Mall 2026 Central Mall 2026 is you, Queen Victoria. Once again, congratulations to our Miss Central Mall's second runner-up, first runner-up, and our Miss Central Mall 2026.
Our next sponsor award is Miss Sir Roger's Salon and Spa.
Salon and Spa, sponsored by Miss Janice de Mayuga Cagalfin, and to be presented by Sir Roger Carel, will receive 5,000 pesos voucher worth of nail and hair salon services and 5,000 pesos in cash.
And our Miss Sir Roger Salon and Spa is you, Queen Calapan City.
Congratulations, Miss Calapan or Queen Calapan City. Up next, we have Miss Timothy Bookkeeping and Business Consulting Services.
Our Miss Timothy Bookkeeping and Business Consulting Services will be presented by our sponsor, Miss Crisel Nable Aldea.
And our Miss Timothy Bookkeeping and Business Consulting Services is you, Queen Pinamalayan!
Congratulations! And our next sponsors award is Miss Sweet Care Hotel.
Our Miss Sweet Care Hotel is sponsored by Miss Lilian D. Aceveda and will be presented by Miss Charlene Aloya.
And our Miss Sweet Care Hotel is you, Queen Pinamalayan.
And our next award is the Miss Asilo Aesthetics.
Our Miss Asilo Aesthetics is sponsored by Dr. Ariel Asilo and will be presented by Miss Teng Ahoro.
Miss Asilo Aesthetics is for you. The more the merrier, Queen Pinamalayan!
Our next sponsor award is Miss Sawadi Thai Spa.
Our Miss Sawadi Thai Spa will receive 1 full year massage privilege, 1 complimentary massage service of choice every month. any available service at Sawadi Thai Massage and Spa. This is sponsored by Miss Milena Cardino to be presented by Miss Angel Covarrubias.
Are you ready? Let's do it now!
And our Miss Sawadi Thai is you, Queen Kalapan.
Congratulations! And our next sponsor award is Miss Malaya Body Massage and Spa.
Our Miss Malaya Body Massage and Spa is sponsored by Mr. Marvin Balgoma. To be presented by Ms. Raincel Alcones and Ms. Doris Arroyo.
Change your way, you gotta own.
And our Miss Malaya Body Massage and Spa is